Welcome to IQ Checkawati with Mr. Sunday and another session of math solutions. So this time we were looking at plotting points on a grid. Plotting points on a grid. So we have this set of questions here from one of the standard exams. And we have A, plot the points A and B. So we're given the coordinates for A 4, 3 and for B 1, negative 5. So we're just going to take it one after the other like that. So the first thing for you to know here is that whenever you're given a coordinate, the first value is the x coordinate, while the second value is the y coordinate. Very important. The first coordinate is the x coordinate, while the second value is the y coordinate. Very, very important. So with this, you'll be able to plot your graph. So we have this graph, we have the grid, we have the y-axis, which is the vertical axis, we have the horizontal axis, which is the x-axis, and they're numbered. To the left of the zero, we have negative. To the downward part of the y-axis, we have the negative numbers. All right, so with this, point A is 4, 3. 4 is positive, 3 is also positive. 4 is the x, so we come to x, we trace it. This is point 4 here. So you trace it up to where the 3 on the y-axis and the 4 intersect. So this is the point here, 4, 3. So this is point A. So you can write A here. And if you still want to go ahead, you can still write the coordinate of the point. You can say 4, 3. All right, so that is point A. And it says point B is 1, negative 5. So the 1 is on the x-axis. So we have a point 1 here. And negative 5 is down here. So where they intersect, you trace it all the way down. So this point here is point B, 1 and negative 5. So you just say this is point B. And if you want to still indicate, you can just say 1, negative 5. So with that, we've answered the A part of this question. Point A, 4, 3, point B, 1, negative 5. Now the B part of the question says point C has the same S coordinate as B. The same S coordinate as B, which means that our C is having a coordinate that is the S coordinate of B, which is 1. Then what will be the y coordinate? And the same y coordinate as A. So A has a y coordinate of 3. So automatically this is what we are going to plot. Point C is 1, 3. 1 which is the same as the x coordinate of B, and 3 which is the same y coordinate of point A. So we just bring this in to the graph. From 1, which is the x-axis, so from 1, you trace it all the way up where it intersects with 3 on the y-axis. This is the point here, and that is point C. So you just say C, and if you still want to indicate, you can just say 1, 3. 1, 3, that is the coordinate for C, and that is point C. Then the C part of our question now says point D has the same S coordinate as the Y coordinate of B. Y coordinate of B. So our point D now will be having the S coordinate, the Y coordinate of B, and that is negative 5. Then the same y coordinate as the x coordinate of A. So the y coordinate is the x coordinate of A. And what is the x coordinate of A? That is 4. So we have negative 5, 4. So with this now, we can plot our point D. -5, that is the x-axis, see -5 here towards the left on the horizontal line. So you trace it up to where it intersects the 4 on the y-axis. The 4 is positive, so you're tracing it up. So this point here, this is the point here where it intersects the 4 on the y-axis. So with this, we can now say this is our point D. And if you still want to indicate the coordinate, you just say -5, 4. And with that, we've answered the question. We've been able to show the point A, point B, point C, and point D. And always remember, the first number in the coordinate is the x coordinate. This first number here is the x coordinate, while the second number is always the y coordinate. So if you like what we are doing, please do well to like the video, subscribe, and share with others. Thank you.